What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This is gonna be a quick, simple one, right? Excuse me. And happy Passover to all of y'all that celebrating Passover. I don't celebrate Easter, so happy Passover. So this, I just want to say this real quick, right? I want to make a quick video on this. The main reason why you can't get ahead, right, is because of this one simple thing, right? And that's you fail to prepare, right? There's many people, right? How do I want to say this? Before a chef can cook, right? There's like a sous chef that comes in before him, and what he does or she, they assemble all the all the ingredients and just all the food, the condiments, and the plates, the fork, just the whole station, right? Just for the actual chef can come in and they can do their thing, right? And that's I believe that's called the sous chef, or either the prep cook, whatever you want to call it. So that person comes in before the actual cook comes in, or the chef. It'll make it a lot harder. It'll make it a lot harder on the chef if he or she had to do everything, right? If that cook had to do everything. So that's why they have a system in place. This person do the dishes. That person does the mop the floors. This person gets all the stuff out the fridge. This person assembles all the stuff that was taken out of the fridge. They assemble it, for the cook to come in, or the chef to do their thing, right? So everybody has a job. There's a system in place, the whole entire thing, right? Before you go on a road trip, you got to figure out, where you want to go. Once you determine where you want to go, you got to figure out, okay, at that destination, how's the environment, how's the weather, how's the, how you gonna get there? You gonna use your car? You gonna use a rental? You gonna take a plane? You gonna take a train, a bus? Or how much does it take to drive yourself, or to use a plane, or to, like how much does it cost to get there? Now that you didn't figure out, where you want to go. How you gonna get there? How much does it cost to use that transportation? So what I'm trying to get at, guys, is notice I said that the main reason why you can't get ahead is because you fail to prepare. So you see what's in common, in both of those situations, right? The cook and you taking a trip, is the preparation, right? So you have to prepare yourself to take off, to go somewhere. And let me move this out the way. Okay, had a notification come in, but you have to prepare yourself if you're trying to go somewhere, right? So if you have a particular dream or aspiration or something in life that you're trying to do, you're trying to work on your physique, you're trying to work on your finances, or whatever it is, mental health, spiritual health, you have to work on it, y'all. So you you do have to work on it, but you have to prepare yourself so you can work on it, is what I'm trying to say. So if, most people, right, if they wanted to go on a road trip, they would just go. They would just hop in their car or whatever, and just, okay, let's just see where we go. That's not smart, Or a chef, somebody had a particular restaurant, or maybe they're cooking for a gathering or something, they would just go in there and start cooking, Like, you have to prepare, you have to figure out, okay, what's going to be cooked? Where do we get it at? Like, you have to figure out those things, right? And most people, they treat their dreams and their aspirations the same way. So they think that, okay, well, I'm just going to go do it. And you do have to have that kind of mindset, but you have to prepare, right? When you thinking it to yourself, like, okay, I'm just gonna go do it, you don't want to go do it blindly. You want to think about it in a smart way, so that way when you get ready to execute, things can start working in your favor. And most people, they live in this simulator, right? Or should I say stimulator? some people actually prepare, and they actually, you know, they prepare themselves and they get in the jet or a rocket or whatever. This is another analogy. They get in the jet or they get in the rocket and they actually, you know, they actually shoot off. They actually, you know what I'm saying, they actually take off. And then there's some people that they get into this thing, this jet-like thing or this rocket-like thing that's bolted to the ground. But when you get in it, it gives you all the same experiences of a jet or a rocket. You get the same takeoff feeling, you get the same adrenaline, you get the same rush feeling. But, you know, once that feeling is over and you open the door and you look and you're like, oh, dang, that's crazy. Like, it really felt like I was taking off, but you see you still on the ground. You know, that's how that's how some people live their life, right? They're addicted to this feeling of feeling like they're getting ahead instead of actually trying to get ahead. So you don't want to feel like you're trying to get ahead, you know what I'm saying? Actually try to move along, right? Save that feeling for when you actually take the physical action to, you know what I'm saying, to change your life, to pursue something, you know what I'm saying? Save that feeling for later once you have actually done it, you know what I'm saying? Most people they don't skip it. They, you know, they want that feeling beforehand before they actually do anything. They, you know what I'm saying, it don't work like that. You know, that's backwards. You have to do something, you have to execute. And then you can celebrate, you know, your feeling of like, yes, like, you know, I did it, you know what I'm saying? I got ahead, I did something. So yeah, man, that's the main reason, right? So you have to prepare, y'all. You have to set yourself up to do something. You know what I'm saying? Just like me, I'm an artist. You know, I practiced for years before I actually came out and, you know, actually try to pursue this professionally, right? You know, I learned about, you know, social media. You know, I was already on social media and, you know, and just things of that nature. You know, what kind of canvases do I want to paint on? What kind of art do I want to do? You know, what's my style? You know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? And that's how you do that, y'all. So you have to prepare, right? Anything you want to do in life, you have to prepare. That's why people don't get ahead. They don't prepare. They don't put themselves in a position to win. But so yeah, y'all, that's the quick video. That's the video I wanted to do today, right? Yeah, man. So I'm sorry, it's been like what 5 or 6 days I ain't done a video. It's because, you know, right now I'm on Passover. I'm trying not. You can't really, like, you know, do too much labor and working and stuff. So, but I wanted to put a quick video out for y'all so it won't go too long, right? So that's the main reason why you are like struggling to get ahead, right? This is before I close it out. We at what? We're about to touch 8 minutes, right? This is what's this old saying? It's called I don't know if it's a saying, but it's like, you ever heard people say like you can jog in place or you can run in place and still not, you know, get nowhere. It's because, you know what I'm saying, just don't mistake movement for progress. You know what I'm saying? You can run in place all you want, but you know what I'm saying, you in the same spot. So actually start running. Don't be scared to take that first step. You know what I'm saying? Prepare yourself. You know what I'm saying? And then pray about it, and then you can go from there. Simple. So, but yeah, man, for those of y'all who are new, I'm Zaylee G. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video, or if you've watched a couple of my videos. Yeah, man, you know, stick around. I got a lot of more stuff coming.